I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to open Magnifier now. Press Windows plus the plus key and it launches. Once done, notice the default zoom level and toolbar. This gives you instant magnification. You'll want comfortable display scaling and volume so prompts are audible. Make sure to pick a view mode immediately, full screen for total magnification, lens to follow the pointer, or docked to reserve a top strip. This first step gets you into the tool fast and ready to adjust. Now adjust how Magnifier behaves. Press plus and minus to change zoom levels in real time, and use Ctrl plus Alt plus F/L/D to switch view modes if you prefer keyboard control. You'll learn why. Lens mode follows your cursor for focused reading, docked keeps context while enlarging a strip, and full screen magnifies everything. Make sure to open Magnifier settings to set zoom increments and enable smooth edges for clearer text. These choices affect comfort and readability over long sessions. Finish by mastering navigation and recovery steps. You can pan with Ctrl plus Alt plus arrow keys and invert colors with Ctrl plus Alt plus I to reduce glare. Press Windows plus ESC to close Magnifier instantly. If Magnifier freezes, make sure your display drivers are updated and Windows scaling is at a supported value. Reverting custom scaling often fixes blank or laggy magnification. Finally, restart
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.